In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Flash Player in Google Chrome. With the phasing out of the traditional Adobe Flash Player, many of us still need a workaround to access older web content that requires Flash. So, in this guide, I'm going to walk you through how to install a Flash Player emulator extension. It's straightforward, and I'll make sure you understand each step along the way. Let's begin by opening up Google Chrome on your computer. Once you have your browser open, head to the top right corner where you'll see the three dots menu. Click on this menu to reveal a drop-down list of options. From here, you'll want to navigate to Extensions. This is the gateway to all the additional tools and features you can add to your Chrome browser. Once you're in the Extensions section, you should notice an option that says Visit Chrome Web Store. Click on that, and it will take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, which is your main hub for adding new functionalities to Chrome. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, look for the search bar, which is conveniently located at the top. Go ahead and type Flash Player into the search bar and press Enter. This will bring up a list of available Flash Player emulators and related extensions. You're looking for extensions with names like Flash Player for the web or Flash Player Flash Emulator. These are generally reputable and should serve your purpose well. Select the one that seems suitable for your needs. Upon clicking on your chosen extension, you'll find the Add to Chrome button. Click this to initiate the installation process. A pop-up will then appear, asking for confirmation to add the extension to your browser. Select Add Extension in this pop-up, and the installation will begin. This process typically takes just a few seconds depending on your internet speed. After the extension is installed, there's an easy way to access it more conveniently. If you look towards the top right corner of your browser again, you'll notice a puzzle piece icon. This icon represents your installed extensions. Click on it, and you'll see a list that includes the Flash Player emulator you just added. To make it even more accessible, you can pin this extension. Simply click the thumbtack icon next to the Flash Player extension, and it will be pinned to your toolbar, allowing for quicker access whenever you need it. And there you have it, a simple method to bring back Flash functionality in Google Chrome using a reliable extension. Remember, while these extensions can emulate Flash Player's capabilities, they might not be perfect for every use case, but they're a valuable tool for accessing Flash content in a pinch. Happy browsing, and I'll catch you in